everyone. We will today start with our series of solving HackerRank SQL practice problems. So let's go and select SQL. And once we select with that, so let's begin with our first problem from the basic select is reversing the select query 1. And once we select it, we will go to and read the problem statement. Query all the columns of American cities with population greater than I guess 1 lakh, and country code is America. So we will write an query and we will select the best query language like Oracle, but all of them are almost the same, so I don't think that would be much of a problem. So it says that to select all the columns. Okay, we'll write our query. Select start from city where, and it has few constraint like city country code should be America, so you first write country code, A, and another is this population should be larger than 1 lakh, and I guess it's 1 lakh, so hopefully it will give us the result. Let's submit it. I just made a spelling error. S select, yeah. I'm acting like a noob now. Okay, hopefully, yeah, it's correct. And we have submitted it successfully. Come on, yeah. Rain a bit faster. This my network, okay. Yeah, so it passed all the test cases successfully. Thank you, guys.